Welcome to Invest. We talk about investing, finance, and professional development. As the current time of 5:31 p.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum contract $1,980, up about close to 10% so far. Respect to over crypto market on this Monday afternoon, it's been sustained under pressure across the board. We have broken up above the 1860 earlier today, and then subsequently leap up to about 1900, which is technically a non-subset consolidated level. But as the day derails, with lack of negative media affectation, and also with respect to the international side of the house, commit into the buying pressure. So it seems like the arm wrestle between the bears and the bulls. The bulls are winning. With respect to the last 40 hours so far. Up until obviously the main events that's going to be happening this week, which is the job numbers coming out on Friday. So with respect to the current setup right now, it's relatively bullish, right? We are sustaining, this propelment that you're seeing, surging at the 44 out of 70 at the moment. And then on the MACD front as well, we're also seeing a cross section upward. So testing the current level about, which the real level is basically 1998, basically 2000 if you round it up, logically. Would be the level we need to see. Can we sustain above that level? And what that really means is that the RSI can stay above 50, which is an inflection point that you see every single time based on historicals. And I've just kind of stretched it on the side. You can see that every single time we reach about like 47, 50, like 49, like the cusp of basically going into and fully committing to 50, you get canceled out, right? So it seems like we're seeing something similar to it. So we'll see how it goes, right? Obviously Tuesday open up in the on both the crypto and the equity market, and also with the stir between the U.S. and the international side of the buying pressure. We'll see the market dynamic, how it's going to play out, right? Oh, by the way, I just came back biking, so that's why you see me with my headband up. I just took a shower. I went for like a 20-mile bike ride earlier today. It's a nice day today, and I'm on a bit of a diet recently, so I did a lot of cardio. I did basically legs early in the morning, and then I decided to just bike for like 10 miles out, and then stop there, drink a bottle of water, and then subsequently bike back home. And on my way home, I've been addicted to the smell called I'm not sure. I think the guys would probably know this. So there's like this body wash called Irish Spring, and I recently I went to like this 99-cent store, and I really like the smell for some reason. So I decided to like look up other things that smell similar to it. So I went ahead and actually bought this today. Brutes. I don't know if you know, like this is like a cologne slash aftershave. So I do like the smell, and also I bought like dry spray from Dolph as well, extra fresh. So I realized these two smell exactly the same as the Irish Spring smell. It's more of a masculine smell, to be honest with you. But I don't know why. I've been addicted to this like green smell, I guess. I don't know. It's like it smells fresh, and it smells I don't know. I've been like looking for like a scent for myself. Especially with summertime like happening now. I can get sweaty sometimes, and I always like to stay relatively fresh and clean. So I'm trying these things out, and I'll let you guys know how it feels later down the road as I experience these further. So with respect to recording time, again at 5:35 p.m. on the Eastern Time, right now we are trying to get to the next level based on technicals. The level that we need to get to above would be above 2,000, right? So we're $20 away from now. And what we need to see, is to basically allow the RSI to cross up to be above 50, and then going to the next level of 2150, right? And if we see some negative news coming for no particular reason again, but the real reason is probably gonna be the job numbers coming out. If we see anything of a miss or misalignment based on Wall Street expectation, we could technically see some sell down back to the 1950 all the way to 1860 based on the technical level. And respect to Bitcoin up about 7.5%, you can see that clearly we try to get above to the 32,600. And you can see that clearly we're in the inflection point again. We're on the 50 out of 70. So this is a monumental level. It seems like Bitcoin is a little bit more ahead in comparison to Ethereum. So definitely look out for this. We need to get above to 3,600 by closing today, or sometimes tomorrow. So we'll see how the momentum will go. But based on the current setup right now, obviously the MACD still cross up so far. We need to cross down and then cross up. So I think what we need to see ideally is come back down to 30,500 and then scoop up. And 50 is a monumental level right now. So we'll see how that level of momentum will be sustained. If we actually can cross up to be a 52, 53 at the current level, we will see some buying pressure up until 32,600 from here. Ethereum Classic up about 4% so far. Right now it's like similar, right, at the 51 out of 70 right now. So still relatively bullish, right? So we need to see this keep going up, right? So the next level of resistance is going to be somewhere around 2650. If we go down anywhere from basically 1860, 1850 down would be logical DCA from here. Respect to Dogecoin, about 5% so far at 8 cents, anywhere from basically 7 cents all the way to like 8 cents all the way to 7 cents from here would be a logical DCA. Cardano's up about 15% so far. Right now it's at the 41 out of 70. So the next level of resistance will be somewhere around the 62. If we go down anywhere from basically 45, 40, 35 respectively, the flat numbers. And then Solana is up about 6% so far. So let me do this on the daily frame. 47 right now. You can see that clearly we got canceled out at the resistance level 49. So any supports become resistance, right? So right now the 36 out of 70, so still relatively oversold. So we need to ideally see this going up above to the next level of resistance that's 58 all the way to 71 from here. If we go down, obviously 37, 33 respectively from those levels down. XRP up about 6% so far. We are up about at the resistance level right now technically. So again, it's trading on flat numbers like 40, 35, 30 respectively. So the next level of resistance will be somewhere around like 46, which is another flat number, 46, right? 45, and then to 50. So all the flat numbers upward all the way until the real level that begins at 57. But anywhere from current level down to somewhere around like 36, basically 35, 30 respectively. Polkadot's up about 7% so far. We try to go back up to 11 again, right? But anywhere from basically 850 down is logical DCA. Algorand's up about 11%. 41 right now at flat numbers, right? The next level resistance is going to be somewhere around like 50, right? So 45 and then 50. And then the next level resistance will be 57. Basically, contemplating on breaking to a 60, right? So you see that technically 60 is the next level of resistance. But anywhere from current level down to somewhere around like all the flat numbers like 40, 35, 30 respectively. And then Shiba Inu is trying to get back up to the next level again, right? 1400. So 1400 to 900, we're in between levels right now, still levitating. At the 40 out of 70 at the moment. So we need to see, can we go above to the 50 out of 70 on our RSI scale. And then Polygon up about 9% so far, 65. So next level resistance is going to be somewhere around like 75 and then somewhere around 88 as the next level of resistance. Anywhere from current level down to like all the flat numbers like 60, 55, 50 respectively. And then lastly for AVAX F27 up about 6% so far. Anywhere from current to the next level would be the 36, right? And then the next level will be 44 all the way to 50. But anywhere from current level down, I would say is still logical based on the current setup right now. Starting at the 25 all the way to the technical bottom, 2150. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful. I didn't mean to post another one today, but I have some energy and I don't know. Despite me working out like basically non-stop for like 4 or 5 hours straight today, at at relatively low, like a caloric deficit, I'm still feeling good. I didn't really drink that much coffee. I just mostly drank a lot of water, even though it looks like coffee. But yeah, I just took a shower. I really do like the smell. Um, but yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, take care. Bye.